Hey everybody, it's Juanita Price here, and God bless you and happy Sunday. I am sitting here and I'm super excited about just taking these quick moments, right? Where there's no green screen, there's no lighting, there's no actual setup, to record something. I'm sitting in my car and I'm praising God about this. And that is that for you and I, we may have a lot going on in life. And sometimes there are moments where things are not exactly going the way that you'd like them to go. And often what happens is whatever is weighing down on our minds, in other words, whatever our perspective is about the challenge that we're going through, we tend to wear that on our face. Whatever we're thinking and however we're feeling about it, however that translates to a specific emotion, we wear that on our faces. And let's just say that you're under stress, or that something saddens you. We have that tendency to do what? To frown, or to look very, very sad, right? And it actually takes effort, to do any of those things. And our brain is signaling those muscles and things to react to whatever it is we feel about what is going on. But did you know that a smile is super powerful, more powerful than many of us realize? That even if a building is burning down and you don't feel that you have any reason to be hopeful and to feel happy, that when you smile, that little smile actually activates something called neuropeptides. And the neuropeptides is a part of that whole messaging system, right? That actually begins to do battle against stress, and it lowers stress. And then it goes on to interact with other things going on in our body to release those really happy hormones. So yes, even though you're not experiencing the outcome that you'd like to, that your brain doesn't have to be sick and your mind doesn't have to be sad, right? And you can help yourself by simply putting that smile on your face. I think about this sometimes. Actually, there was a little line to that actually made sense, that you can also put a smile on your faith, right? ITH, right? And also to put that smile on your face. And you're actually engaging in habits of joy, because just because I'm going through, even if I'm sick for that matter, that does not mean that my mind has to be sick, or my mind has to be depressed, or my mind has to be anxious. And I can do something so simple as putting a smile on my face to begin to minister joy and to minister peace to me. And guess what? My physiology is in cooperation with that, going to work, activating and releasing those little teeny tiny molecules, right? That sends that necessary messaging to my body and aligning it with joy and peace and so forth. I thought about how I didn't like my smile too much, so I went and got braces, right? So now that I got them, my husband's always on me, smile, 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 smile. And I say to you to this day, other than just having a pretty smile or a beautiful smile that you can enjoy, smile as your source of healing and encouragement. Smile, because that smile is electric and it's medicinal, and it actually lowers the stress that you're under. And yes, you can smile when you would rather frowned, and now you have just another reason to do so. And the most amazing reason of all is that if you in fact are a child of God, you know that it really doesn't matter what comes at you in life, that Bible tells us that all things, I mean everything, or as I love to say, everything, absolutely everything is being worked out for your good. Now, everybody doesn't enjoy this benefit. It's for those who actually love the Lord and are called according to his purposes. So yes, practice it, if you will, that even when my heart is low, even when I'm starting to feel anxious, even when fear tries to set in, even when I'm even angry for that matter, you know what? Instead, I am going to choose to smile. And guess what? We look better when we do it too, don't we? I never understood that in the modeling industry, or even some of us, even that when we take pictures, we try to look as mean and as stern as we possibly can, because it equates to being cool and confident and so forth. Couldn't be further from the truth. Smile. It's just something about a smile that even lights up the atmosphere. You ever seen someone that actually frowns all the time, and one day they smile and people just want to pass out, or they are overwhelmed by this person's smile because they never see him do it, and it's just they look at them and go, oh my goodness, you have such a beautiful smile. But not just for the compliments that you will receive. Do it for you. Do it for the healing virtue. Do it for the power that it packs, and do it for the impact that it does on your physiology, the healing virtue that it produces in your physiology. And do it if you are a child of the Most High God, because it doesn't matter what's going on. God is fast and hard at work, working that thing out for your good. So say cheese. God bless you.